Hello, welcome to this presentation titled Student Organization Financial Responsibility by Red to Black Peer Financial Coaching. Red to Black is a student organization and department that answers students' money questions through individual coaching sessions, educational presentations, outreach booths, and resource referrals. We are undergraduate, master's, and PhD students majoring in personal financial planning, and our goal is to help students from out of the red and into the black. This presentation is for educational purposes only. We do not give any legal, investment, or tax advice. You should consult an attorney regarding all legal issues and an investment professional for all investment issues. You should consult a CPA or tax advisor regarding any tax issues. In this presentation, we will be covering key aspects of managing your student organizational finances. We will start with the basics of budgeting, learning how to create and maintain a budget. Then, we'll move on to student organization financial management, including defining roles, understanding bank accounts, understanding taxes, and keeping records. First, we will be learning how to effectively budget following 4 simple steps, starting with making a list of your organization goals. Step 2, determine your inflow and income. Step 3, determining your outflows and expenses. And finally, step 4, create a plan and stick to it. Now, let's take a moment to distinguish between wishes and goals. A wish is something that you desire or hope for. It's like tossing a coin into a fountain and expressing a wish, but without a concrete plan of action attached. On the other hand, a goal is more than a wish. It's something you actively work towards achieving. Goals are typically planned with a set deadline or time horizon attached. Today, we'll be focusing on setting SMART goals that we can actively pursue. SMART goals stand for specific, not just a broad goal; measurable, how will you know when you have achieved this goal; attainable, do you have the resources you need to meet this goal; realistic, is this goal reasonable for you in your current situation; timely, what is the deadline or time frame for meeting this goal. It is important for student organization leaders to set SMART goals, a step-by-step guide that will help you navigate the journey towards your desired outcome. Now that we've discussed the importance of setting SMART goals, it is a crucial step to establish a time frame for achieving these goals. As mentioned earlier, this will help us put a concrete plan in place. Goals need a time frame, and by doing so, we will add a sense of urgency and accountability to our actions. Now, let's categorize our goals based on time frames. We will have 3 main categories. Short term. There are goals that can be achieved within the next 12 months or less. Medium term. These goals have a time frame of 1 to 5 years. Long term. For goals that have extended beyond 5 years. Step 2. Determining your inflows/income. Examples of income. The first category is membership dues, referencing to the funds collected from your organization's members, providing a consistent source of income. Fundraising events are a dynamic way to generate income, from concrete and engaging activities to larger scale events. They can attract both financial support and community involvement. Funding resources at Texas Tech can offer an opportunity for your organization to secure funding. Be sure to explore these options. Donations are contributions from individuals or entities who believe in your organization. They can play a vital role in sustaining and advancing your mission. Recognizing and managing these income sources is fundamental to financial planning and ensure the continued success of your organization. Now, let's talk about Dues. The dues you charge for play a crucial role in sustaining your organization. Let's break it down. First and foremost, consider the amount you're charging for. This is a critical decision that requires careful consideration. Why are you charging this specific amount? Understanding the purpose behind your dues helps you justify the cost of them. It's not just about collecting funds. It's about having a plan for your money. What will these funds support? Events, programs, or resources? Having a clear plan ensures responsible financial management. Now, let's shift focus to fundraising goals. Set clear fundraising goals provides direction and purpose to your efforts. Let's break it down. First, define your fundraising goal. Is it for a specific event, project, or general organization needs? Having a clear objective ensures everyone is on the same page. Brainstorm with your team to find the right fundraising activity. Whether it's a bake sale, a charity run, or creative event, align your fundraising with your organization values and mission. Consider members' schedules when planning the fundraising. Choose a time that works for the majority, as more participation often leads to greater success. Money management is key. Appoint 1 or 2 responsible members to oversee and track the funds raised. This ensures accountability in handling your finances. Now, let's turn our attention to the other side of financial equation. Step 3 in budgeting, understanding the types of expenses. Just like income, expenses come in various forms. Let's explore some common types. These examples can give you an idea of where your funds might go. Social events are a fantastic way to engage your members and community. However, they come with expenses like venue costs, decoration, and any entertainment or activities you plan. When preparing a fundraiser, there are also costs involved. This includes materials for the event, promotional items, or general supplies needed. General supplies needed for the day-to-day operations for your organization, like office supplies or equipment, also fall under the category of expenses. If your organization has specific attire for events or activity, they are expenses associated with providing uniforms or t-shirts. Whether it's for social events, meetings, or fundraising, providing food often incurs cost. This includes catering, ingredients, or any related expenses. Now, what if you find yourself unsure about how much you're spending? The simple solution is track your expenses. Step 4. Create a plan and stick to it. Let's shift our focus to the overarching importance of budgeting for your organizational finance. Budgeting is a continuous process that involves careful planning and strategic decision making. Budgeting will help your organization guide you towards your goals, ensuring financial responsibility. Budgeting is not just a one-time event, but an ongoing process. It requires continuous attention, assessment, and adjustment to adapt to changing circumstances and priorities. Recognize that adjustments are often necessary. Unexpected events or changes in circumstances may require modifications to your budget to ensure financial stability. Consider both monthly, and yearly perspectives when budgeting. This dual approach allows you to address immediate needs while maintaining a long-term view of your financial landscape. For your organization clarity, prepare a budget sheet at the start of each semester. This provides a structured financial plan and allows for better tracking of your expenses and income. Monitor ongoing expenses regularly. This proactive approach helps you identify potential budget deviation and allows for timely corrective actions. Strive to ensure that budget income always equals or exceeds expenses. This balance is crucial for maintaining stability and achieving your organization's objectives. Above all, communication is key. Foster open communication channels within your organization to ensure that everyone is on the same page regarding your budget and goals and constraints. Tracking your expenses is a key to financial clarity. Establish a system to monitor and record every expenditure. This not only helps you stay within budget, but also enables better financial planning. As your organization grows, it becomes increasingly important to manage and monitor your finances at a more gradual level. One effective way to achieve this is by implementing a centralized expense tracking system that all offices can use. This shared platform ensures consistency, transparency, and real-time collaboration. This not only simplifies tracking, but also provides a comprehensive view of your organization activity. Use this system to analyze spending patterns and make informed decisions for the future. Within the system, encourage officers to maintain a detailed journal of all expenses, including receipts, invoices, expense notes, and bank statements. It's crucial to have a clear and well-defined policies regarding spending within your organization. Determine who can spend money, set limits, and establish guidelines on how funds can be utilized. This ensures consistency and adherence to financial protocols. Budgeting is the process of tracking your money and your expenses, then setting up a plan that prioritizes your spending based on your goals. This plan will help you tell your money where to go. It can be done using technologies or pen and paper. This is an example from Excel of a budget made by Red to Black Peer Financial Coaching. Please feel free to use this template for your student organization. Student Organization Financial Management. Let's talk about a crucial role in the financial well-being of your organization, the treasurer. Your treasurer should be someone who takes their responsibility seriously. The financial well-being of the organization relies on their ability to handle funds responsibly. This person plays a vital role, and it's crucial to find someone who possesses specific qualities. Accessibility is key. Your treasurer should be approachable and available to address organization financial concerns or questions that might arise within the organization. Organization is also a fundamental trait for the treasurer. Managing finances requires meticulous planning and record keeping, so finding someone with strong organizational skills is vital. It's important to ensure that your treasurer fully understands the responsibility and time commitments involved in the role. A well-informed and capable treasurer contributes significantly to the success of the organization. Now, let's explore who else might share in the responsibility of managing the organization's finance. First up, the advisor. The advisor may take on several financial responsibilities, acting as a guiding guide for the organization's affairs, including responsible for keeping the check or credit card, approval for signatures for checks, approval for monthly or annual reports, and bank statement approval. A president can also oversee some of these responsibilities. Now, let's shift our focus to another critical aspect of financial management, understanding bank accounts. When it comes to managing your organizational funds, having the right bank accounts is fundamental. Let's explore the two essential types. A checking account allows you to deposit, spend, and easily keep track of your money. When selecting a checking account, be sure to look for a card with low or no fees to optimize your financial management. A savings account is where you stash money away for future needs. Over time, you can even earn a little extra through interest, helping you get an inch closer to your financial goals. When considering a savings account, prioritize options with high interest rates and minimal to no fees. Opening a bank account for your organization is a crucial step in financial management. Let's break down the process into simple steps. The first step is to secure an Employment Identification Number, EIN, from the IRS. Once you have the EIN, email it to Student Involvement. In return, you receive a letter of recognition. This letter is a formal acknowledgement of your organization's existence and is often required by banks when opening bank accounts. With your EIN and letter of recognition, head to the bank of your choice. These documents will provide the necessary paperwork to establish your organization's bank account. Now, let's talk about the usage of cards. Have a designated person responsible for approving all card usage. This adds a layer of oversight to financial transactions. Implement a sign-in and sign-out sheet for the organization's card. This sheet should include name of the person using the card, date of the check-in and check-out, description of the purchase, estimated and actual cost. Be sure to get receipts when the user returns the card back in. Now, let's talk about taxes. Starting with sales tax, student organizations may be liable for taxes on certain purchases. Sales tax applies to items and services. Organizations selling items more than once a month or longer than a day must obtain a tax certificate number and pay appropriate sales tax on items sold. Tax exempt status. Student organization registration does not imply tax exemption. Only university departments and offices may use Texas Tech's tax ID number. National sorority or fraternities, contact your national office for information to determine your tax status. Applying for tax exempt status. Applying for tax exempt status is complex. Please seek legal assistance if necessary. Now, let's emphasize the importance of keeping files. Filing is incredibly important. Let's explore why. Filing ensures a smooth transition from future treasurers. The records you keep can become valuable roadmap for those to follow. Accidents happen. Filing is your safety net. If something goes wrong, having records becomes important for finding solutions. Unfortunately, not all spending is responsible. Filing helps detect any inappropriate expenditures, ensuring that the organizational funds are used for the intended purpose. Filing helps track dues, ensuring timely payments and maintaining the financial health of your organization. Filing is the foundation of budgeting. It provides historical data that informs the creation of future budgets, allowing your organization to plan and allocate resources effectively. Now that we understand why filing is crucial, let's talk about the practical side of file organization. Utilize TechConnect or any suitable technology to streamline your file organization. Digital platforms can make record-keeping more efficient and accessible. Bank statements are like financial snapshots. Keep these to track income, expenses, and ensure that all transactions align with your organizational goals. Every purchase, no matter how small, should be documented. Receipts serve as a tangible proof of your financial transactions. Be sure to keep them. If someone spends personal funds for the organization, make sure to keep their reimbursement forms on file. Here are some useful contacts that can be valuable resources for your organization. Student Government Association contact is Teresa White Davis at ttu.edu. Student involvement can be contacted by emailing studentorgs@ttu.edu or by phone number 806-742-5433. If you're looking for personalized assistance with your organizational finances, please contact Red to Black Peer Financial Coaching. Take advantage of our one-on-one financial education services available to you. We are located in Drain Hall 215. To make an appointment, visit our website www.r2b.ttu.edu. Please be sure to include in the description that you're a student organization leader seeking financial assistance for your organization. You can email us via redtoblack@ttu.edu. Our phone number is 806-742-9781. Thank you so much.